Nowadays, blockchain and smart contracts explore many entrants to new, decentralized business and eliminate the need for expensive third parties. Many new companies are currently working on this technology, and large companies are testing it in closed networks to collaborate directly with each other without the need for intermediaries. Apart from that, another major reason why cryptocurrencies are more fashionable is because you know that traditional banks, as modern as they want them to be, have an ancient culture and mentality. Beyond ordinary financial instruments, they have only evolved to provide a few online services. Now, with the advent of decentralized finance, the world of financial instruments is open, accessible, open, and without permission for anyone with a mobile phone or computer connection to the internet. So, the next project I want to introduce yourself is Nebula Protocol, a Binance Smart Chain based project that uses decentralized finance. More specifically, Nebula Protocol is a community-based DeFi token launched at the event that offers three functions during each exchange. Let's take a closer look at what each of these functions entail. First one is reflection. A purchase, sales, or transfer is subject to a 2% fee, which goes directly to each user who holds their token, proportional to their holding in relation to the total subminister. Next one is LP acquisition. Every purchase or sales goes through 6% automatic liquidity generation to maintain passive yields and provide balance and stability to tokens. The idea is that the token become a locked liquidity token and remains permanently an LP. The last one is burn. The platform collects 2% of the fee on each transaction. This allows supply to decrease with higher trading volumes, leading to more scarcity and buying pressure into the ecosystem. Focusing on its performance, aggregators, and the NFT market, Nebula aims to create that said a very mysterious fizzy astronomical object by becoming a new protocol that adds features to existing DeFi systems. The Nebula token is a community driven. First, the liquidity is provided by the team on a blockchain basis for half a year. Meanwhile, every transaction made, be it buying, selling, bidding, etc., will automatically generate liquidity in the PancakeSwap liquidity pool. In this way, token holders are rewarded passively through distributed transaction fees. During the next phase, Nebula focuses on developing its performance aggregator, which allows investors to earn more rewards through their participation and liquidity pool. Finally, the initial is also to create their own market from selected NFTs, allowing Nebula holders to bid and get special NFT digital art cards. Nebula token is based on the Binance Smart Chain network, which is blockchain network built to run smart contract-based applications, allowing users to get the best of both worlds. The high transaction capacity of BC and the smart contract functionality of the BSC. What is special about the Binance Smart Chain is its low fees and fast transaction speed. But what is even more special is its compatibility with EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine. Due to EVM compatibility, the apps developed on Ethereum can be ported and Ethereum wallets such as MetaMask can be used as is. So don't be late, be ready and grab this golden opportunity. Thank you.